Santa Claus.
Santa Claus?
Yeah,
What is this?
it's a gift for you, Tara.
Oh, it opens pretty easily. What is in here? The Rosbot!
Hi, this is Tara from Rosbot and I'm going to be showing you the new Rosbot.
This here is the ROS controller and the STM32 board. We also have the battery, the motors, and the fans. It has an all-back depth camera and an RP LiDAR that has a 360-degree range. It has 2 independent suspension systems.
This allows for navigation over various terrains both in lab and in the real world.